So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to quote a post on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, simply go to whatever post you want to quote post. So for this example, I'm just going to go to the search bar, and how about I search up Instagram? I'll go to Instagram's account here on Threads. So if you wanted to quote post to one of these threads, just go to whatever post you want to. So I'll just do this one right here. How about this one? Besties, creators, where you at? If I wanted to quote post this, simply go to the repost option. So right in between the reply option, so the speech bubble and the arrow, which is sending it to someone else. I press on these two arrows sort of going in a circle like this. Then once you're in this screen, go to where it says quote at the bottom, press on quote, then type in whatever you want to quote. So if I wanted to say, Threads is awesome, period, I can press on post once that's done, and there you go. That is how you guys can quote post a thread on Threads. I hope this video helped.